2018 Ford Mustang. The Mustang is race-worthy and ready for the track. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, power steering, AM/FM stereo with CD player, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lights, electronic stability control, compass, trip computer, rear window defroster, security system, CD player, power windows, brake assist, tachometer, overhead console, remote keyless entry, panic alarm. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.